Hey, welcome back to my channel. It is officially fall. Yesterday was the fall equinox and the first day of fall, so I decided to bring out all the fall decor from the attic, decorate the front porch, and get ready for fall, get those cozy fall vibes going. So I'm really excited about today's video, and I can definitely feel the weather changing and this beautiful shift that happens around this time of the year, and it is one of my all-time favorites, and I love it, so I cannot wait for all of the content to come. So I knew I wanted to start decorating this weekend, and on Friday, I took the kids to school in the morning and then I headed to the studio for a session. And one of the things I love too about the fall is those beautiful morning sunrises, and as the weeks go on, it gets cooler and cooler and crisper. So the studio I work at is actually in Spring Hill. So I did a co-write about maybe a month and a half ago with a friend of mine introduced me to this producer, and he works on a lot of sync, so like commercial television film type projects. So after the co-write, he invited me to co-write on a project for a commercial and then invited me back to start working on some holiday stuff. So that's what we've been doing mostly. And then on my way home from Spring Hill, I stopped in Franklin. We don't have a Trader Joe's in our town, so I haven't gone in over a year, and I missed it so much. I was ecstatic to go get groceries and get all of my fall favorites. I was so happy, and since I'm working there a lot more, I'm gonna just try to go to that Trader Joe's. And then I stopped at our little farm stand in our town and got some pumpkins. I was very excited about my Trader Joe's fall goodies. So on Saturday morning, first thing I woke up, I wanted the autumn maple coffee, which I actually think is a lot better than the apple coffee that I got from Aldi. It just tastes less artificial. So yummy. Love, love, love. That's actually probably one of my favorite flavored coffees during this time of the year, so definitely check it out, 10 out of 10. And then I enjoyed my coffee, some of my favorite shows to watch in the fall with all of the good aesthetic vibes. Good Witch, they have it on Netflix now, but it was originally a Hallmark series. Gilmore Girls is also a really good one during the fall months. I actually watched that all the way through last fall. It's got all the great vibes, the coffee, the fall feels. And then after I was done cozying up for a little bit with my coffee, I decided to go up to the attic and get the fall decor. When we decided to move out here, we downsized quite a bit. Not only our belongings, but also the size of our home, just so that we could get out here and kind of reassess. And so we used only one pod, and I downsized decor, I downsized closet, everything was downsized. So I only have one box of fall decor, which actually works great because we don't need a ton in the house. I like to set the vibe by putting on a playlist on YouTube where it has really pretty autumn aesthetic in the background with beautiful peaceful music, light some candles, just a few little decor pieces, and that's really all it takes to set the fall mood. I love this little owl I saw at the Dollar Tree last year, so I got that. When decorating a small space, obviously a little bit goes a long way and you don't want to look too cluttered, but in this space, it really makes all the difference to just have a few little things. And I also got this cinnamon scented broom. You can find them at Trader Joe's, and I try to get one every year. It just fills the whole space with this beautiful cinnamon smell. So I got that as well. I'm making myself some pumpkin spice Rubio's tea before I head out to the front porch to finish my decorating. So I got some mums and some pumpkins at the local farm stand to decorate the front porch, and I'm going to start by sweeping. Sometimes I will do a nice deeper clean on the front porch. The power washer really does a good job, but I did that earlier in the season, so I'm just going to do a quick sweep and then a very simple decoration. I actually got this wreath from Trader Joe's, I think 2 years ago, and it's lasted. It's got the really pretty natural, or it's organic leaves, and so it's not like the fake leaves, and it's lasted a really long time. I got these pillows last year from Walmart and that little centerpiece, so I put those on the rocking chairs. And yeah, just really simple decor on the front porch, but it makes me so happy to do seasonal decor, and I like stacking the pumpkins from biggest to smallest. That's always a really pretty aesthetic. It's like warm with a slight breeze, and then from now on, every week it's gonna get gradually cooler and cooler and cooler. And I gotta say, I know I've only lived here for a year, but I really love the seasonal transitions. It's something to look forward to. Like my kids are already talking about hoping that it's gonna snow. And then when it gets really deep into winter, it just gets this really beautiful, just frosted. It's just, the seasons are beautiful and I really, really look forward to them. So I love to just decorate and prepare. And then we have some really beautiful wildflowers growing, so I'm going to go pick some and create a fall bouquet. Flowers have always been a favorite of mine, and in the past I used to just buy them, and now I try to grow them and create little bouquets for around the house. So Friday and Saturday were my kind of first days of officially decorating for fall, because I wanted to wait for the first day of fall and the fall equinox. I hope you had a beautiful first day of fall. Thank you for watching my channel. I have more fall videos coming soon, so hit that subscribe button and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye.